Hey everybody, this is step 2 out of 4 for how to become a digital marketer, and it's going to be how to prove your results. So if you learned a whole bunch from all those videos that I showed you guys in the beginning, and you're on to step 2, and you guys found somebody that's going to let you use their website or use their business to build a website and start advertising, this is step 2 right here. This is how to see if you're on track. You want to go to analytics.google.com and set up an analytics account because this is going to be important. You can't scale what you can't measure. So we have here an already set up account here. Go to acquisitions and overview, and this is one of my favorite dashes right here, dashboards, because it shows you where people are coming from. The organic search, direct, referrals, and social. So if they didn't have anything on the organic search before, you can say, hey, I'm responsible for 58 people this month coming to your site and learning about you. And if you built the site and there people are going directly to it, and if there's referrals and social, all of that, those are great metrics to have. Not only is that, but we do have the home page here. The bounce rate actually isn't that good. You want that a little bit lower, but I mean 50%. People usually go for that. Session duration, that's a good session duration right there too. And there's just a bunch. You can see the page views, where the page views are, where everybody's going, and I think we have the behavior. This is also my favorite right here, behavior flow. You can see where people are going and where people are dropping off. So you, as a digital marketer, can see, hey, I got a 26% drop off rate right here, which actually isn't that bad. If it was higher, if it was like 80%, you can say, hey, I got to do something about this. We need to change something about this homepage so people start going to what we want them to go to. And these people are going through exactly where they want them to go in their little funnel or their website. So that's good. These are all good metrics you can show people, and you can really determine if this thing's working or not. If you have no data, then wait a month, wait 2 months, see what happens, and start changing some stuff. And if you guys took my advice and watched the video about Google My Business, if you didn't, then go back and watch it and pitch the person that you got into your digital marketing. Pitch them this Google My Business stuff too, because I'm going to show you how I'm keeping customers on this thing. So this is the home page for one of the businesses I'm doing advertising for. Search views are up. The map views are a little bit down. We're not doing any advertising for this, so this is like a free thing. You can see they got 3 calls in a month with no advertising, and 5 website visits and a crap ton of photo views. So with a $0 ad spend, I think this is doing pretty damn good. Yeah, but you can show this to other people, like just like the sandwich analogy that I had. If you have a sandwich shop and you went ahead and you picked them out, you can say, hey, I just got this sandwich shop 88 views this month for free. You want to set up your sandwich shop, I'll only do it for this much money. And then you can be the sandwich shop man. And now you got sandwich shops all over the place that you have their My Businesses, and you're doing their digital marketing for them for a monthly fee. If you get one sandwich shop to give you $500 a month, and you just do that 4 times, that replaces most people's incomes. And really, all you're doing is looking at these analytics here and making sure everything's going down. If there's a big drop off rate, you need to go back and you need to change what's broken there. So that's how to prove yourself and prove to others that you're doing the right thing on the digital marketing world, is the analytics and the cold hard facts. I would show you my ClickFunnels, but if you go to ClickFunnels and if you're doing the ClickFunnels thing, if you have that account, just go to contacts and see how many people actually signed up, and make sure someone's getting emailed about it. I can't click on this and show you my campaign because there's just like 50 freaking people there, and you're going to see their name and emails, and I don't want that. So yeah, that's how you can tell if you're on the right track. All right.